What up, peeps, homies? We're back again working on the transom. Yesterday I started getting out these solid rivets, as you can see. Just getting them out yesterday, and today I'm going to continue poking them out and opening up this top cap here so I can get out this transom and replace it with a new one, because this thing is toast, as you can see. She gone. That transom is gone. Look at that. And now, just like that, she is about to be free. Gotta get the good angles for you guys. It's a big moment here with this. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. One last part. Like that, I'm throwing all these aluminum shavings to my face. She's free. Boom. Woo. Dare I say it, guys? It's gonna be hot as hell. It's off! Sweet, sweet victory. And that's a pretty damn cut too. Check it out. I recommend these Tiger aluminum cutting wheels. Had to order them on eBay because you will not find, at least where I live, you won't find them in any store. But without these things, good luck cutting through aluminum. Look at it, guys. This was the hardest part, and we got through. Very, very happy right now. Check it out. As you can see, I got the transom out yesterday. It's pretty hard. Had to split it into two pieces to get it out because there's so much pressure. And here's where it stands now. I'm gonna sand down some of this A little bit of corrosion here, and paint over it with etching primer to stop it from eating into it. So let's get to it. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna give this thing a little wash before I paint it. I was just gonna paint it like that, but it'd be looking kind of dirty, honestly. I just wouldn't feel right doing that. Mother of holes. She's got like 19 holes in her in the back transom. I'm giving her the real scrub down. Be careful not to cut the shit out of myself. That's good enough. It's good enough, homies. guys, as you can see, just got to finish putting etching primer where the transom's gonna go, and put some primer over the holes where it's pretty good. It's pretty I just put it today and like you can't even scratch that shit off. Like I make marks on the paint, but it's not coming off, so it's pretty good paint. Use this one. Alright, what up, Home Slices? Quick update on the build. Got her ready for painting tomorrow. Just finished giving her an acid wash to etch the surface. And I spent all week sanding it down. I'm not gonna paint the rear yet because I'm gonna wait on my pods to get here. But she's ready. She's finally ready for paint. I put as you can see, zoom in. I put down some what do you call it? Glove it. So that in case there's any leaks on the outside, we can go ahead and prevent that. And there's, as you know, there's goop coated on the bottom, so we should be in pretty good shape. And I used some other paint to paint the part where the transom's gonna go. I put a self-etching primer first, and then I had this black paint lying around, which said it could be used on aluminum. So I went ahead and painted that yesterday, since you won't be able to see it anyways. And we finally got the wood for the transom, so after I paint it, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on getting this transom built. And this is the paint I'm gonna go with. I ended up going with Seahawk Alumahawk in the tan color. And I have another gallon inside. This is I just brought this little one outside so I could show you guys. But yeah, finally, after a long process of getting her ready for paint, I'm gonna paint her up. Glove it. I'm not expecting the best paint job, but it'll look better than pieces of primer and glove it sticking out and stuff like that. Once it's one solid color, it should look a lot better. Alright guys, well here she is after paint. It's a little bit lighter of a color than I would have wanted, but it's finally on there, and it's protected from the salt water that's gonna hit it eventually. So like I said, it's not the best paint job in the world, but it'll do. I didn't use that paint everywhere, since you know these parts are gonna get foam, and right here is gonna be a compartment foam, so I didn't finish it completely out there. And of course here's gonna have a floor on top of this, so it really doesn't have to look great, but I still have to paint it to protect it. But yeah, there she is, guys, nice and painted. And like I said, I'm just waiting on my pods to get in so that I can install them on the back. And then once they're on there, I'll go ahead and paint it and install the transom. So taking advantage, because while there's no transom, I'm gonna go ahead and rivet them on there. And as you could tell, I'm gonna need a rivet through here where the transom would be as well. So like I said, taking advantage of that. But yeah, she's coming along, guys. She's coming along. Not too bad, I guess. I ended up spraying the inside and a little bit of the outside, but mostly rolling the outside, because as you can see, there's a lot of little crevices on the inside, so it would have taken forever. I hit a little bit of touch-ups today, but yeah, she's painted. Looks good. Like I said, a little bit lighter than I would have wanted, but looks good. One last update for this video. Just finished putting this compartment back in, just riveted in. Easy work thanks to the Milwaukee $300 tool right there, but makes it a lot easier when it's just one person putting these rivets back in. But yeah, I had taken this out and cleaned it because it was highly corroded on the bottom and on the sides from where the foam was. And I put etching primer on it, and you know, I just did a rattle can spray job on it because you're not going to be able to see this anyways. This is just going to be underneath the top deck, but I still wanted to paint it so that it would be protected. And there it is.